Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. So today, I want to play with this Gina K Designs mini wreath building, tiny wreath builder bundle. I got it in December from Simon Says Stamp. I think they were having a promotion that if you bought something, they would send this for free. And so of course I bought something and so they sent this to me for free. So I've never worked with it until today, and I was just like, okay, this looks interesting. Let's play with it. So I'm going to make a little tag, and I've already cut out all the pieces. I'm just using regular cardstock here, and this definitely needs to be 2 3/8 by 2 3/8 because it has to fit into this square right here. Okay, so that has to be that. Now I do have some other, because I'm going to layer. So these are 2.5 by 2 5/8, but I also cut out another that is 2 5/8 and 2 7/8 because I don't quite know which one I want to use yet. So I've got those cut out. And then out of the stamps, I'm going to use the rose and this stamp here and this one maybe. So let's just get started with it. I think it's going to be fun. It's very unique in the way that you use it. So I'm using my platform, which you need a platform for sure to use this. And I'm just going to put my card there. Now I'm going to be using the Archival ink in Vivid Chartreuse. And I'm putting the leaves on first. So, and I think I want them to go like so. Okay. The closer you get to the edge, the bigger your wreath will be. The closer you get, of course, in the middle, the smaller it will be. So I'm pretty much right there on that edge, which is where I want to be. Alright, so what you do is you just, ink your stamp, you stamp it, and then you're going to go around 8 times. Now, I tried using distressed inks, and I didn't get a crisp enough image, and I also tried Memento, same thing. So, of course, I think the Archival inks are going to be the better bet, or the more of the alcohol type inks, because then you get your detail. The other inks just smear, Alright, and we just keep doing that 8 times. And it makes just a beautiful little wreath. Trick is to make sure that you place this in that square or the diamond, whatever way you're going. Okay, and so he's done, so I don't need him anymore. So put him to the side. And now with the rose, now I need to make sure that I put him back square. Right. Because we're starting all over again. Alright, and I think I want the rose to be like right here. Now you can do double, meaning like you can go ahead and put another one there. But for right now, I'm just going to put the rose, I'm going to start up here like this. And I'm going to use again with the out of here. I think I'm going to do the garden patina. Why not? Let's just make a rose. Look, it doesn't have to be pink, because I think this color will look really pretty with the pink paper. So I think it'll be alright. We could actually alternate. Let's do that. Let's alternate between that and maybe a yellow. Ooh, yeah, let's try sunflower. I think sunflower will look pretty. Why not? It's our tag. We can make it whatever way we want. Oh. Aw, isn't that cute? I think that turned out cute. Okay, now what I think I want to do is let's clean that off, move that out of the way. And now we can kind of take the fern looking one if we want. Let's turn him this way. And if you felt like you needed to put some more filler in, you can do that. Right? But I don't think I'm going to do that. I think this is fine. If anything, I might want to put another rose up here. Do I want to do that? Maybe put it there. Let's do that. I just feel like it needs something else up there. So now we'll go the opposite. So we'll start with the Gina. Oh yeah, I'm going to like that. Oh yay! That's going to be cute. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. I do. I really do. That is so cute. Maybe then over here on these corners, just to help make it seem full, I'm going to just put one of these. Let's see. Let's do it. Yellow. Then we do like this again, right? We go 2 turns. And actually, I want that to be more of a crispier yellow, and that's why I did that. That way it would be just a slightly different color, right? And now we can do the patina. No. This way. I love this little cup. This is such a cool idea. Hats off to Gina K. I love it. Because, you know, you can even... Yeah, there we go. Oh, I like it. I like it. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so cool. I love that. I love it. Because you can actually, like, just put the leaves down and then paint your own little flowers if you want to do that. Right? It's so versatile, this little thing is right here. I really like it. Alright, so now... let's put this away. I don't need it. We're almost done. I do have a to and from. I wonder if that will go in the middle. Let's try it. Let's try this little to. It's a little bit smaller. And I'm not going to worry about the from. Just do the 2 there. And get it on there. My goodness, that's so little. Alright, and let's use black ink. Just black to do us, I think. Okay. There we go. Alright, perfect. Alright. Now, we're done with this. And I think what I want to do, okay, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, see, that's so cute. That's so pretty against that pink. I think that looks so nice. Oh, that looks so good, doesn't it? I like it. I do like that. I like that because the pink would not have been the right pink. I like it. I like that. Alright, let's just use our little double-sided tape here. And I'm just gonna tape them down. But I feel like, here, let's tape them down. Let's just tape it down. Aww, that is so flippin' adorable. I do have a scallop puncher here. I wonder what that would do. Let's try it. I'm glad I used the bigger ones. Oh, that's cute. I do like that. Okay, and then I'm going to need a hole puncher. And I think I'm going to do it here. Trying to get a good, I don't want it too far down and I don't want it too close to the top, about right there. Yeah. Okay, so I got a piece of green ribbon here that I'll just feed on through there. And then I do have some crystal drops because I have to put some kind of sparkles on here. So I'm just going to put them in the middle of the flowers. I think that'll look cute. And then that's going to be it. This little tag will be done. So I love this little thing. I love it, love it, love it. I'm glad that I got it. And I'm glad I finally played with it. So, there we go. Scooch in, get a good look at it. There it is. Isn't it pretty? And you know, there's a whole bunch of little stamps, so you can make them any way you really want. Like I said, you can even paint by hand once you get your wreath part done, you know. So, I think it's swell. I think it's fantastic. So there we go. So that's it. I hope that if you were wondering, one, how do you use this thing? I hope this helped you to know how to actually use the stencil, the template, to create the wreath. I mean, that is just ingenious, ingenious. So hats off. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And probably if I had to do it over again, I wouldn't have put the corners on there, but that's okay. I think it looks cute regardless. But so yeah, all right. Well, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. And oh, I found out something very interesting. Lindsay, the Frugal Crafter, actually has a video on it, and I will link it down in the description below. About it has to do with how, you know, especially for creators and arts creators or crafting creators, like, you know, like I am, why I might not, my channel might not be growing so well is because of the way that YouTube does their algorithm now. back in the day, you would say, you know, like the video, and then if it got likes, then YouTube was like, oh, yay, people like this, let's recommend it. But now what's happening is if you start to watch a video, and then let's say you're in the middle of watching one of my videos, or Lindsay's, or whoever that you like to watch, and you get inspired and you're like, oh my gosh, so you stop the video halfway in watching it because you get inspired, which is what my whole goal is I just want to inspire y'all, right? But if you stop watching and then you go create, then YouTube thinks, oh, they don't like the video. They don't like this person, they don't like this video, so then they don't recommend. So even if you if you like it and you go on your merry little way, if you don't finish watching the video, then I don't get recommended. YouTube that actually hurts my channel if you do it that way. You have to finish watching the video and then go to another video, not necessarily of mine, but of someone else's, and then for them to be like, oh yeah, people like her videos, so let's recommend her. So I was wondering, like, golly, you know, I'm wondering why I'm not getting recommended very often, and why my channel all of a sudden, you know, is not growing like it was. And so now I understand. So with that said, if you, I know that, you know, you get inspired and you want to do it or whatever. If you could just let it play on through, like maybe as you're crafting, just let it play. You don't have to watch it, just let it play. And then my channel will start growing and I'll get, you know, more recommendations. Because I really do love doing videos. I've said it a million times. I always felt like I was called to teach. And one way to do it is YouTube. And I love doing that. I love showing y'all things that I enjoy and that maybe will inspire you. You know, I'm not a professional artist. I'm not anything like that, but I do love to share what I do in my, you know, and I just want to inspire you. So that's my whole goal with my channel. So anyway, I'm rambling. I'm going to let y'all go. So I got to figure out my new outro. Even, you know, like it and subscribe and all that too, because that probably still helps. So, but I appreciate you watching no matter how long you watch. So I appreciate it. Well, thank y'all so much. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.